Hi, I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and I'm here with my sidekick, Cindy.
Hello.
And today we're gonna make one of my favorite drinks, something that we came up with called the Fashion Forward. Wait till you see what's in this drink. You are going to love it. But before we get started with building the drink, we need to make the simple syrup. This is a rosemary cucumber syrup. So let's start with our hot plate.
Sounds so good.
Yes. Now to make simple syrup, really, it's quite
It's simple.
simple. It is. Equal parts, that's what it is. Equal parts of water and sugar, and then we're gonna add some rosemary and some cucumber. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of water, and I'm pouring in hot water because I wanna speed up the process of getting this stuff made so we can get to our cocktail. And then 1 cup of sugar. Perfect. All right, so yes. Okay, so now we're gonna do a half of a cucumber. If you can hand me the bowl. And 1 sprig of rosemary.
Just
so
one?
Just 1 sprig. This stuff is really quite strong. So there's our rosemary. We're gonna just put a half a cucumber that I've already got cut up here. There we go. If you can put that aside. Right, so we're just gonna mix it up a little bit. You'll see that I'm just gonna dissolve the sugar and the water. We've got our cucumber, we've got our rosemary in there. We're gonna bring it to boil, and that's all it takes to make simple syrup.
Can you eat the cucumbers after?
You probably could. They'd be kind of sweet, I would imagine. So let's give that just a couple of minutes.
I'll try it. Any cards? Play cards?
I know we could. couldn't we? Yeah. It's like trying to watch water boil, you know?
It's just like it.
Okay, we are back, and we have some boiling simple syrup. Do you see that?
I really want to taste one. Not right now. They're hot.
There we go. All right, so now that it's come to a boil and all of the sugar is dissolved, we've let it sit here and boil for a couple of minutes. That smells really good. Okay, let's turn this off. I'm gonna try to strain this in. There we go. So now that we have our rosemary cucumber simple syrup, we're ready to make our drink.
I love it.
Yeah. There we go.
All right, I love it.
All right,
Here we go.
so we're gonna start with some gin, and we're gonna use the Empress gin. Now, I love this. It's got a very floral, sweet taste to it without being like a sweet alcohol. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of the Empress gin.
And she loves the color too.
I do love the color. It says purple is like my favorite color. And what's really unique about this is that when we add the citrus to it, it's gonna change colors. That is just amazing. All right, so there's our gin. And so next we're gonna do is, we're gonna do lime next.
Oh,
Yes,
fantastic.
we're gonna do lime next. So I'm gonna do basically a half an ounce of lime. So we're gonna just squeeze this little thing in here. There we go. All right, so now watch how this changes
all right.
colors. Ready?
I don't feel too close.
Did you see that?
That's
Sorry.
nice.
Did you see how that changed colors? It is so cool.
Nice.
So now we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of our simple syrup.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's so cool. Does it glow in the dark too?
I think so. There we go.
2 out of 3.
There you go.
Thanks.
I actually thought it changed colors again. There you go. All right, so let's add some ice. There we go. Give it a little bit of a stir.
Smells good. I don't like gin, but I think this gin will be good. Mostly because it's purple. I like purple too.
There we go. All right, so strain it in there, and then we're gonna garnish it. So there we go. Look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Here we go. Alrighty, thank you. All right, so
She is the queen.
I know. So we're gonna just give it a little bit of a ribbon look.
Oh, it's fancy.
Very thin
Look at you getting
slice of
fancy.
cucumber. The cucumber add a nice little.
That's nice.
Look at that. Here we go. And there's our cocktail. That's pretty nice, huh? And there it is, the Fashion Forward, one of my favorite drinks. I know you will love this as much as I do.
Will I?
You will. You want the first taste?
I would love the first
There
taste.
you
Why,
go.
thank you.
Empress.
That is good.
Isn't
you
it?
can really taste the rosemary too. That's nice.
Oh, delightful. That is definitely Queen Bee approved.